Hi ladies and gents, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to come up here this afternoon to have a look at this guy. This is a 1-year-old olive tree. So he hasn't really started to produce olives yet, but in a couple of years' time he's going to join his friends in production and grow a few olives for us for our estate olive oil. We have 600 trees in production here at Noble Hill making olive oil, and it's a blend of 4 different types of olive. We have Mission, Manzanillo, Frantoio, and Kalamata olives. And our estate olive oil, it's a blend of those 4 olives. So here at the estate we keep quite busy, and as soon as the grape harvest ends we start our olive harvest. So we're running around from tree to tree picking olives as fast as we can, and I thought I might share with you a little bit of the olive harvest at Noble Hill. Thank you guys for supporting small wineries and small farms, and thanks for coming along and learning a little bit about the Noble Hill olives. I hope you guys enjoy.